everyone, and welcome to cabin 6615 on the Independence of the Seas. So this is a handicap accessible stateroom. It's also an interior promenade view. So this stateroom is special because if you head over this way and you check out the view down below, again, we're on deck 6, down below is deck 5 where all the action happens, and you can see that we have a window facing inside of the ship. So it is priced at an interior cabin, but it gives you like a little bit something extra, and just not so claustrophobic when you get to look out into the promenade. One thing that I will note is people can see into your cabin, so make sure that you close your blinds when you're getting dressed or getting ready for bed or anything like that. And then again, handicap accessible, so there's tons of extra space to move around, but we do have the king size bed. They can also pull the beds apart and have 2 single beds and put the nightstands in the middle if you prefer it that way. And this room only sleeps 2. So even though it's so big, it's still only a double occupancy room, and you can see that based upon the furniture in here. There's no pull down bunk. Again, double occupancy. Then if you head this way into the bathroom, you can see just how big it is. Plenty of space for a wheelchair to get in and out of there. The shower is definitely bigger. There are also accessible railings here, as well as a seat that pulls down, so that's definitely appreciated, I know, by some of our guests that have asked for that in the past. So that bathroom is definitely large, and this room is very spacious. Again, same size closet and same size vanity as in the other staterooms as well. So again, this is an interior cabin with a promenade view. Josh, this is going to be you on the Symphony of the Seas. If you're interested in booking a cabin like this, please contact us at Paul and Ashley Magic Vacation Planners on Facebook.